Hi, so in this video I'm going to take you through two ways that you can record audio onto your PowerPoint slides. So you can make narrated lectures or short introductions to things. And I'm also going to show you how you can then export that to make a self-contained video rather than having it as a PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so here I've just got 3 slides from one of my lectures to use as an example. And like I said, there's 2 ways that we can record narration over these slides to make a narrated PowerPoint. And with one of those ways, we can also generate a video. So a nice easy way to add narration to your slides is to record short audio clips associated with each slide. Where we can do that then, if you click Insert and then go to Audio and click Record Audio, you can then record a series of audio for the slide. So you might want to give it a name if you're putting a couple of audio clips on different things. So we'll call this slide 1. When you're ready, just press the record button and start your narration. So this is the introductory slide to this lecture, which is following the basics of immunology, whatever it is you want to say. When you're finished, click stop, OK, and you can see it's put the little audio clip here now onto my slide, and that'll play back through. The great thing about this now with PowerPoint is they've also put in this little playback tool. So if you click on your sound here, you'll notice that this comes up in the top ribbon. If you click playback, you've got some options now to trim and change things with this audio, which is really useful if you've made a mistake, if there's a noise in the background that you want to get rid of. You don't have to re-record the whole thing. So if you click trim audio, that gives you your audio track, and you can trim things off either end if you wanted. Okay. You can set when this audio recording is going to start playing, so either when somebody clicks onto the slide or automatically when they transition onto the slide, and you can also have it playing across multiple things if it's something that's going for a while. So you can record all your little audio clips onto here, and then obviously you can save this then with all of this audio embedded in it for somebody to listen through and play back through the slideshow, and things should play automatically. So that's one way to add narration to your PowerPoint. Another way of doing it is that you can record your PowerPoint as if you were delivering your lecture. So if we get rid of that and we go back to our slides, if you click slideshow and then record slideshow, we can start recording this as if we were delivering a lecture. So click record and click slide and animation timings on, narrations and ink on, so you can have your laser pointer, and press start recording. So it started the slideshow, and you also get this little box up in the corner, and that shows you the time elapsed that you're recording on this slide, your time elapsed in total, and this little arrow here, which is going to allow us to transition through our slide. So you just talk as if you were delivering this lecture and moving through your slides as you would normally. If you wanted to indicate something with a laser pointer, if you press and hold down Control on your keyboard and then click and hold down the mouse button, your mouse will turn into a laser pointer and you can indicate things on the slide, and PowerPoint's going to record that. Great thing with this is it respects the animation timings you've put in, so as we click through, things will appear on the slide in the timings that I want them to be recorded. So this allows you to talk through more naturally like you were delivering the lecture in person. When you've made it to the end of your lecture, it'll stop, and it's added all those recordings now if you look to the slides. Again, if you click on that little audio clip, we have the ability to trim that audio. So if you made a mistake partway through when you're recording the whole thing, you can still go back and trim that out. The really good thing about recording the slideshow this way is it also allows us to package this up then, not just as a narrated PowerPoint, but as a self-contained video. And that's going to be really useful if we want to put things up online for the students to be listening through, if you don't need it as a PowerPoint presentation. So to do that, if we click on File and then go down to Export, we can create a video. You don't need it on top level quality. Internet quality is fine for what we're doing. If you select that and then select for it to use the recording timings and narrations, so those are the things that we've just laid down and modified. If we create video, We can then save that video as an MP4 somewhere. So if we just save it in here, and PowerPoint will save that then as a video. So when that's all saved and packaged up, we can open that video file and you can see here that it's recorded that slide and the things that I was saying over top.
So start of the slideshow, and you also get this little box up in the corner, and that shows you the time elapse of your record transition flawlessly. And then click and hold down the mouse button, the mouse will turn into a laser pointer, and you can indicate. As we click through, things will appear on the screen.
So you can see there it's picked up the audio that I was saying and also the laser pointer, and it's packaged that all up then into a video that we can upload onto Stream and link to off the KLE or send to somebody or use it however you wanted.